Hi, everyone. Welcome back to American English Mastery. Today, we're practicing 200 daily English conversations to help you speak confidently in real-life situations. Whether you're from India, Nigeria, Brazil, or anywhere else, these dialogues will boost your skills. Repeat after me, take notes, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for new lessons every week. Let's get started. Good morning. How's your day going? Pretty good. Thanks. Just heading to the grocery store. Need anything? I'm going later too. Hi, I'm all set, but thanks for asking. Hi, can I get a large latte, please? Sure. Hot or iced? Iced with almond milk. Got it. That'll be $4.50. Excuse me, where's the nearest subway station? Turn left at the park. It's 2 blocks down. No, thanks. Is it a long walk? What do you— Nope, just 5 minutes. What do you do for fun? I love hiking. You? I'm into photography. Want to join me sometime? Definitely. That sounds awesome. Do you have cough syrup? Yes. Aisle 3. Need anything else? Just some tissues, please. They're right next to the syrups. Grab dinner on Friday? Sure. How about that new pizza place? Perfect. 7 p.m. work? Yep. See you then. It's freezing today, right? Totally. I heard it might snow tonight. Really? I'd better wear my boots tomorrow. Same here. Stay warm. I'm so nervous for my interview. You'll do great. Just be yourself. Thanks. Any tips? Research the company and practice your answers. Does this shirt come in blue? Yes. What size? Medium. Can I try it on? Of course. The fitting room's over there. Hi, I need a ride to the airport at 6 a.m. No problem. What's your pickup address? 123 Maple Street. How much will it cost? I've around $25. Confirm on the app. I had a headache for 2 days. Any fever or dizziness? A little dizzy yesterday. Let me check your blood pressure first. Did the medicine help your allergies? A bit, but I'm still sneezing. Want me to refill your prescription? Yes, please. Thank you. How often do you work out? 3 times a week. You? Just started. Can you show me the ropes? I'm sure. Let's warm up first. Trying to cut down on sugar. Good. Same. I switched to fruit for dessert. Good idea. Got any healthy snack tips? Nuts and yogurt are my go-to. Is this the line for Flight 302 to Miami? No, that's at Counter 12. This is for 415. Oops. Thanks. Almost stood in the wrong line. No worries. Safe travels. My suitcase didn't arrive. What do I do? File a report at the baggage desk. Will it take long to find it? Usually 24 hours. Here's the form. No. Is this seat taken? My ticket says 14B. Oh, go ahead. The numbering's confusing. Thanks. First time on this route? Yeah, but the view's worth it. I'd like to rent a sedan for 3 days. Full insurance or basic? Basic, please. What's the mileage limit? Unlimited. Just return it with a full tank. How much for this necklace? 20? It's handmade. Could you do 15? Meet me halfway, $17. I'd like to return these shoes. They're too small. Do you have the receipt? Yes. Here, can I exchange them instead? Absolutely. What size do you need? I'd like a trim and highlights. Any specific color in mind? Caramel tones. Will it take long? About 2 hours. Want some coffee while you wait? My laptop's battery dies too fast. How old is it? Batteries degrade over time. 3 years. Should I replace it? Yes. Or upgrade to a newer model. Big presentation today? You look stressed. Yeah, but I've practiced all week. That crush it. Want to rehearse with me? It'd be great. Thanks. Let's split the research. I'll handle the data. I'll write the report. Sarah can do slides. Perfect. Deadline's Friday, right? Yep. Let's meet Thursday to finalize. I'd like to discuss my salary. Yeah, sure. Have you taken on more responsibilities? Yes. I've trained 2 new teams this quarter. Let me review and get back to you next week. Can I reserve a study room? For how many people? Yeah, just 2. Do you have one for 3 p.m.? Yes. Here's your key. Return it by 6 p.m. Mom, what's for dinner tonight? Chicken curry. Can you chop the veggies? On it. Need anything from the store? Just cilantro. Thanks, sweetie. My party's Saturday. Can you make it? Wouldn't miss it. What can I bring? Just yourself. We've got cake and games. Awesome. See you at 7. My partner forgot our anniversary. Did you talk to them about it? Not yet. I don't want to sound upset. Honest, but calm. They might not realize it. Your dog is adorable. What's his name? Rocky. He's a rescue. How old is he? About 2. Loves walks and peanut butter. I need more data. What's your cheapest plan? $40 a month for 10 gigabytes. Want to switch today? Yes, but keep my number. No problem. It'll activate in 10 minutes. The internet's been super slow all day. Restart the router. Worked for me yesterday. Try that. Still buffering. Call your provider. Might be an outage. Did you see that viral post about climate change? Yeah, but some facts seemed off. Right? Always check the sources first. Exactly. Don't believe everything online. My order arrived broken. Can I get a refund? Of course. Send photos to support at website.com. How long will it take? 3 to 5 business days after approval. Table for 4 at 8 p.m., please. Indoor or outdoor seating? Outdoor if it's not too cold. Done. We'll text you if there's a wait. Is this soup gluten-free? No, but the salad is. Want me to check with the chef? Yes, please. I have a severe allergy. Absolutely. Safety first. How do you make your pancakes so fluffy? Whisk the batter gently and let it rest. Ah, I overmix mine. Thanks for the tip. Anytime. Practice makes perfect. Is 15% a normal tip here? Usually 18 to 20% for good service. Got it. Do you split the bill? Yes, we take cash or card. Need to report a stolen phone. Where and when did it happen? The mall. About an hour ago. We'll check CCTV. Here's your case number. The whole block has no electricity. Check the outage map. They're fixing it by 9 p.m. Ugh. How's your phone battery? 20%. Let's charge it in the car. Can you help me change this tire? I'm stuck. Sure. Do you have a spare and a jack? In the trunk. Thanks so much. No problem. Safety first. I locked my keys inside. What do I do? Call a locksmith. Here, use my phone. Thank you. I'll pay you back. Don't worry about it. Happens to everyone. Comedy or action tonight? Action. Let's watch the new Marvel movie. Popcorn and soda? Obviously, I'll grab the snacks. Any good mystery novels lately? The Silent Patient is a page turner. Is it at the library? Yep. I just returned my copy. Did you get the concert tickets? Yes. General admission. You? Same. Let's carpool to save parking fees. Your deal. Pick you up at 5 p.m. Amazing at this game. Any tips? Then aim for headshots and save your ammo. Thanks. Let's team up next round. For sure. We'll dominate. How do you celebrate Diwali? Sights, sweets, and family gatherings. Sounds beautiful. Can I join someday? Absolutely. You'll love the fireworks. Your English is flawless. How'd you learn? Movies and daily practice. Want to swap languages? Oh, sure. Teach me Spanish greetings. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? What's this dish called? It's delicious. Biryani, spiced rice with meat. Want the recipe? Yes. My family would love it. Well, I'll email it tonight. Glad you like it. What's the coolest place you've visited? Japan. The culture and food are unreal. Bucket list trip for sure. Any tips? Learn basic phrases and try the street food.